How to see mutual friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open App Store and search for Snapchat. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Now open the Snapchat application. You will be led to the camera, swipe right and you will see all your chats. Tap on the Add Friend icon on the top right of your screen. Here you will see a lot of people in Quick Add. Quick Add basically shows people who are friends of your friends. So select a friend whose mutual friends you want to see and then go ahead and unfriend all of your friends except that particular friend, and this way you will be able to see mutual friends of that particular friend only and not of everyone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.